Do you know how many coffee capsules are consumed every day in the world? 3 million capsules go to waste every day. What can we do to decrease this problem? In GNT, we developed a technology capable of transforming capsule residues into high-quality filters. Depending on the type of material of the capsules, we produce either aluminum or plastic filters. Moreover, we are able to produce filters capable of separating the remaining caffeine. With this project, we aim to reduce the quantity of waste produced, transforming it into a value-added product.
This project has been developed by GNT, a company that seeks the development of a better world through innovation.